installing the indicator and a ram mount. So awesome. So we'll be going home now. So it's working now. So how long will it work? Let's see. Even I haven't given feedback in Amazon where I bought it from. So I will use. I'll get the charger later when I go for a long ride, and we'll update it on YouTube. Các bạn sao đây là ama là không sai lại đi là rồi bây giờ smart cái này so this is the kit we're going to install on Yamaha R15 B3.
Breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space, in my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are. I was denied. Person that's inside. We have a purpose, but to take that leap you must recognize the person that's inside. Believe me, I swear, the story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over. Live in the moment, living in a quiet to be.
This is the charger from Civic. So we're going to install this one.